Express.js training. Welcome to GoLogica. Today, we are discussing what is Express.js. Don't skip this extensive course is designed to help IT professionals master containerization and DevOps workflows. We can provide a roadmap for this course. About the course prerequisites, eligibility criteria, salaries, roles, and responsibilities, training program, and key modules. Let's discuss about the course. Express.js is a minimal and flexible Node.js web application framework that simplifies the process of building robust and scalable web applications and APIs. It provides a lightweight layer with a wide range of HTTP utility methods and middleware, allowing developers to create powerful applications quickly. An Express.js course typically covers essential concepts such as setting up an Express server, routing, middleware, request and response handling, and integrating databases like MongoDB or MySQL. It also explores tinplating engines like EJS or Handlebar for rendering dynamic web pages and security best practices. More advanced topics include authentication with JWT or OAuth, error handling, real-time communication using WebSockets, and deploying applications to cloud platforms. Many courses also teach how to use Express.js alongside front-end frameworks like React, Angular, or Vue.js. Express.js is widely used in the Mean, MongoDB, Express, Angular, Node, and MongoDB, Express, React, and Node stacks, making it a valuable skill for full-stack developers. In this course, learners gain practical experience in building RESTful APIs and web applications, making it a crucial step for anyone pursuing a career in modern web development. Now we discuss the prerequisites of this generative AI. To enroll in this course, candidates should have proficiency in JavaScript. A solid understanding of JavaScript, including ES6+ features, is essential for effective learning and application. Familiarity with Node.js. Basic knowledge of Node.js and its asynchronous programming model will be beneficial. Understanding of web development fundamentals. Knowledge of HTTP protocols, RESTful APIs, and client-server architecture is recommended. Here we discuss eligibility criteria. This course is suitable for web developers looking to enhance their server-side development skills using Express.js. Backend developers aiming to build efficient and scalable web applications. Full-stack developers seeking to deepen their understanding of server-side frameworks. Technical leads and architects planning to implement Express.js in their technology stack. Now we discuss about salaries, roles, and responsibilities. After completing this training, professionals can take on various roles including Express.js developer, developing RESTful APIs and microservices using Express.js can earn $90,000, $130,000 per annum. Backend developer, design and implement server-side logic for applications. The average salary is $100,000, $140,000 per annum. Full-stack developer, develop both front-end and back-end components of web applications. Approximately salary is $110,000, $150,000 per annum. Cloud engineer, Express.js focus. Deploy Express.js applications on cloud platforms like AWS, Google Cloud, or Azure can earn an average salary is $115,000, $155,000 per annum. DevOps engineer. Automate CI/CD pipelines for Express.js applications. The average salary is $110,000, $150,000 per annum. Security engineer. DevSecOps for Express.js. Secure Express.js applications from common attacks like man-in-the-middle attacks and session hijacking. In this role, approximately, we can earn $120,000, $160,000 per annum. Finally, we discuss about training program and key modules. The GoLogica Express.js training program is meticulously designed to provide IT professionals with comprehensive knowledge and practical skills in building robust and scalable web applications using Express.js, a fast and minimalist web framework for Node.js. This course is ideal for developers aiming to enhance their expertise in server-side application development, middleware integration, and RESTful API design. This module provides a comprehensive introduction to Express.js, a powerful and lightweight web application framework for Node.js, widely used for building efficient, scalable, and maintainable web applications and APIs. The module begins by covering the fundamentals of Express.js, including its role in backend development, setting up a development environment, and creating basic applications. Learners will understand how to handle HTTP requests and responses, define routes, and implement middleware functions to manage the application flow efficiently. As the training progresses, students will explore templating engines such as EJS and Handlebars, enabling them to render dynamic content. The module also introduces database integration with MongoDB, MySQL, and PostgreSQL, teaching learners how to establish and manage database connections using Mongoose and SQLize ORM. Security is a crucial aspect of modern web development, so the course covers authentication and authorization mechanisms using JWT, JSON Web Tokens, and OAuth, ensuring secure user management. Participants will also learn about error handling, debugging techniques, and security best practices, including protection against SQL injection, CSRF attacks, and cross-site scripting, XSS. The module delves into RESTful API development, focusing on best practices for building and structuring APIs. It also introduces testing frameworks like Jest and Mocha, enabling learners to write and execute unit and integration tests to ensure application reliability. Additionally, participants will gain insights into performance optimization techniques, including caching strategies, load balancing, and API rate limiting. To provide hands-on experience, learners will work on a real-world project that incorporates all learned concepts, emphasizing code organization, version control with Git, and documentation. Finally, the course covers cloud deployment strategies, guiding learners through the process of deploying Express.js applications to cloud platforms like AWS, Heroku, and Google Cloud, ensuring they gain practical experience in making applications production-ready. Upon successful completion of the course, participants will receive a certification from GoLogica, validating their expertise in Express.js development. GoLogica is committed to providing continuous support to its learners. Participants have access to 24/7 support, ensuring that assistance is available whenever needed.